Nairobi fire station. So right now I'm at this is Mumbai. Right now I'm just close to downtown. From here now, here is downtown. That's why you see a lot of matatus. The more you are uptown, there are less matatus. But the more you are downtown, there's a lot of matatus. Every minute from now, I think my vlog will end because my battery is getting low, and I have one battery because when I had one mission in Nairobi, yeah, I had to report that. Barabara inatokea ile side nyingine. Inatoka huko. Hapa. Asante. So this is one of the oldest market in Nairobi. Here, some fish, all kinds of meat. Today, naangalia. So this place is closed for business. country is big online because a lot of youths are young people actually. They are on the internet